Wow, wonderful.
That's 10
Um,
a.m. And then 2 p.m., 1:30 to 2 p.m., my lunch.
1:30 to 2 p.m. Okay.
Kasi dapat 3 hours interval eh. Kasi actually, yung eggs nun, full ka na eh. Tapos
Mm.
after 3 hours, alam mo, gutom ka na ulit. So, lunch ka na. So, lunch mo, and then, wala ka ng snacks kasi ang susunod mo is 5, five to 6 na yung dinner mo. So, I
One.
eat for 5:45 para medyo tumagal. Para after 6, no na. Konting water.